3:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Hartsville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Well, that came as a surprise. Hi, what's up? What's up?
Impact,
What's
hail
up?
damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Watertown, Tucker's Crossroads, and Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room.
Finally, I thought we'd never get one of these things today.